In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn one image into a consistent AI movie with Grok. First, head to grok.com in your browser. Once the page loads, give it a moment to initialize the workspace. You'll know you're in the right place when you can access the main prompt area and the image tools. Keep the tab open. We'll work entirely from here. Next, begin with a strong base image. This is crucial because your entire movie will inherit the look, character, and visual style from this single shot. Choose a high-resolution image where the subject is clearly visible, well lit, and not obscured by clutter. Aim for neutral, even lighting, a clean background, and a composition that leaves a little space around the subject for natural motion. If you have control, match the aspect ratio you plan to use for your movie so framing stays consistent. Upload or select your image, then move to the prompt field. Type a concise prompt that defines the style, mood, and identity you want to preserve. Describe the subject in concrete terms: age, clothing, setting, and overall vibe, and add the cinematic tone you're going for, like soft natural light, filmic color, or documentary style. Keep it simple, specific, and reusable. Avoid stacking contradictory styles or rapid style changes. Consistency comes from repeating the same core descriptors. If you plan multiple scenes later, save this exact wording so you can paste it again and maintain continuity. Now animate the image for scene 1. Use Grok's animate feature with the same prompt you just crafted. Think in terms of gentle, believable movement, subtle head turns, natural blinking, a slight breeze on clothing, or a slow camera drift. Start with moderate motion strength so features like eyes and mouth stay stable, and let the background move a little to suggest depth. If there's an option for camera behavior, choose something steady like a slow push-in or pan that matches the tone of your prompt. Set a short duration for your first pass, long enough to tell a mini beat, but not so long that artifacts creep in. Preview the animation. If you see warping or jitter, lower motion intensity, simplify verbs in the prompt, or reduce busy details. Keep lighting and color language consistent. Changing it mid-scene can break continuity. When the preview aligns with your vision, render scene 1. That's it. You went to Grok, built everything around a strong base image with a clear, repeatable prompt, and animated it into your first consistent scene. With this foundation, you can reuse the same image and prompt language to expand your movie while keeping the look locked in.